Join! Ta-da! Engenio. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join, come out, feel the beat. Engenio's on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana Engenio. Join! Ta-da! Engenio. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join, come out, feel the beat. Engenio's on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana Engenio. Join! Ta-da! Engenio. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. Ta-da! Engenio. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the
ng Pampanga. Kanina wala tayo, no? So bati ako ulit, no? Bati ako ulit. Nagkakaroon lang tayo ng konting technical difficulties sa ating himpilan. Good morning muli. Ito po nyo lingkod, J. Pelayo IV, at ito yung programang Join Tana Angeleños. Tayo muna ay pansamantalang napapanood, no, sa ating mga official FB pages ng Angeles City Information Office, ng RW 95.1 at ng CLTV 36. So, habang inaayos pa yung ating transmitter para sa ating FM station. Nevertheless, samahan nyo po kami hanggang alas 11 ng umaga. But alam na, pag every Tuesdays, no, pag 10 a.m., nakatutok na tayo sa ating station, sa ating official FB page at sa RW 95.1 para sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Sa mga nais makibahagi sa ating usapan this morning, tamang-tama, meron tayong mga special na bisita. Oo. At tamang-tama, yung karamihan sa ating mga estudyante nasa kanilang mga tahanan dahil this morning, yun nga, nag-declare ng suspension of face-to-face classes, no, si Mayor John Lasatin. And I believe dito na rin, parang nag-announce na rin, half day ba? Parang half day yata. Dito sa lungsod ng San Fernando. Sa meron ba? Sa Mabalacat? Wala naman, wala pang announcement. Okay. Pero po at least dahil bigla na lang, no? Kahit na yung mahirap talagang tansyahin yung pagdating yung sa weather forecast, no? Yung sa weather forecast kasi all day would be cloudy and then with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, no? Pero kaninang umaga pa lang binigla na tayo ng panahon ng may mga kulog at pagkidlat na, no? So kaagad na nag-announce si Angeles City Mayor John Lasatin para suspension ng face-to-face klase. So sana po ay nasa maayos kayong kalagayan at sana po ay patuloy tayo magdasal na bumuti na yung panahon. Ang hirap maglaba ng walang araw. Oo. At buti na lang sa panahon ngayon, no, Coach Ron, may ano na tayo, may mga fabric conditioner na, no? Sige po, batiin na natin ang ating mga panauhin para maaga yung ating kwentuhan this morning. Live sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños, we have naging panayam na natin sa mga naunang programa. At kahit she's a bit under the weather, nagpapasalamat tayo na kayanan niya nagpunta rito. No? Ang ating pong head po ng City Tourism Office, ACTO, we have Miss Louie Lazatin. Good morning and welcome again sa ating programa.
Good morning everyone. Hello sa lahat po na nakikinig sa atin. Maraming nakikinig mula sa City Hall ngayon, lalo na sa office namin, sa Angeles City Tourism Office. Good morning.
Ayan, maraming salamat kahit na may iniinda. And of course, narito po, first time sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Last week nakasama natin during our ceremonial MOA signing. Ito po napakasipag, no? Na laging active kahit saan man lang. Pero pina-follow ko siya sa mga post niya sa FB. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Kasi naaalala ko yung mga ginagawa namin. Yung mga buting-ting namin noon, mga kabataan, ano. Kaya nagkataon, pinaunlakan tayo kahit special ang kanyang araw ngayon dahil pinagdiriwang niya ang kanyang kaarawan. Of course, we have Sir Coach Ronel Colimlim. Yan. Good morning po and welcome to the program.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Napaka-swerte po namin because we are invited here sa RW 95.1 sa Join Tana to share about what we are doing in Han Foundation at yung mga latest projects. Sa mga kasama namin sa Han Foundation and sa buong Han Group, good morning to everyone.
Yan, good morning Coach Ron and welcome to the program. Kasama ni Coach Ron na nakiki-birthday sa kanya. Hindi na rin po iba sa atin, no? Lalo dito sa lungsod ng Angeles. And now she's the Foundation Administration Manager ng Han Foundation Incorporated, si Miss Sol Simon.
Hi, magandang araw po sa ating lahat, sa mga nakikinig. Sa inyo po, Sir Jay, salamat sa pag-invite po sa amin dito sa inyong programa.
Alam mo, Louie, may naisip akong pwedeng mag-sub sa atin, no? Yung
Oo
mga
nga, ang galing eh.
yung mga tinig nila, no? Oo,
Ano pa
pwede.
partner pa duo.
Oo nga.
Bakit ganun yung boses? Nainggit ako ha.
Sabi ko, pwede to. Pwede tayong mag-live ng
Pwede.
programa. Oh. Anyway, welcome to the program at baka may nais mo na kayong batiin o shoutout bago tayo magkwentuhan, Coach Ron and Miss Sol.
Well, again, I would like to take this opportunity to greet my family, my wife, and my daughter, and to all our kabalens, and also sa mga constituents po na tinutulungan po ng Han Foundation. It's just a great day for us po. Thank you.
Yan, si Miss Sol.
Sa akin po, I want to greet my family, Rain, JD, and my husband, Edward. And of course, gusto ko rin pong i-greet po ang aming HFI team or Han Foundation team, si Renz, Darlene, Migs, and of course, our Executive Director, Ana Christy Galura.
Oo. Itong yung anak mo si Rain, no? Namamayagpag yung mga panahon ngayon.
Si JD.
Si JD.
yes.
Oo. Anyway, ayan, last week, no, naging laman ng mga pahayagan yung ginawang Memorandum of Agreement ceremonial signing, no, na ginawa sa WIDAS. Kasama ko kayo at si Ma'am Christy, no, at si Miss Louie Lazatin. At nakita nila itong parang, sabi nila, napakaganda naman yung yung concept, no, nung nakitang pa lang yun, kuha pa lang ng camera ng ating mga kaibigan sa media. Pero could you tell us more about this po, kung ano yung ginanap last week na para sa lungsod ng Angeles, Coach Ron?
Well, last week po, we were able to sign a MOA with the local government unit of Angeles City, to support the two projects, actually. One of which is the Han Foundation's donation of an electronic jeepney
Naman.
to the office of the Angeles City Tourism Office in order to provide a vehicle para sa ating mga local and foreign tourists na gustong makilala at matuto at makita yung ino-offer po natin na tourism destinations na dinevelop ng ACTO. Kaya excited kami din doon. And second of which is, to help the Home for Girls na tinayo ng Angeles City under the CSWDO office, and this Home for Girls, we are going to renovate, upgrade, and donate also mga necessary equipments, learning tools, and other furnitures and fixtures na kakailanganin para sa kanilang safe development and safety ng kanilang pakiramdam and also growth nila. So, yun yung dalawang project na sinay natin with LGU, and we're just so happy na tuloy na to. We're just waiting for some documentations, and once lumabas na po yung authority to proceed, we are going to purchase na the e-jeepney. Yun po.
Miss Sol, iba talaga ang Han, no? Hindi lang pa isa-isa, no? Kagad dalawa. Oo,
Opo. We're so fortunate because I always tell with Coach Ron every time we discuss things, no? Parati po namin pinag-uusapan that we have the opportunity to help. So we're the ones who are thankful kasi po kami yung may oportunidad para makatulong, no? Nabanggit po niya yung dalawang projects, and these projects are special sa amin, no? Most especially po yung Home for Girls, wherein yun po kasi we put a title, Her Future Matters, because their future really matters.
Yes.
So, yan po yung ano namin. With the e-jeepney, talagang gusto namin, I've experienced it personally, and natuwa po ako when I did the tour, no? And it includes the Palengke tour and the Angeles Heritage Tour, yung pong Apong Mama Kalulu and all, the history, ang galing ng history po ng Angeles. And natuwa talaga ako when Aaron discussed everything, yung history ng Apong Mama Kalulu, doon ka lang natutunan. No? So,
kahit na matagal na tayong naninirahan sa Angeles, no?
yes.
Yung talagang roots, yung history, doon mo ma-appreciate. Ano? Magpapatuloy po kami. Kasama pa rin si Miss Louie Lazatin, Coach Ron, and Miss Sol sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Pero Coach Ron, susulitin kita, anong oras na sa buong Pilipinas?
Ang oras po ngayon ay 10:15 in the morning. Maraming po salamat.
Join Tana Angeleño. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join Tana, feel the beat. Angeleños on the street, turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana Angeleño. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Jump time out, feel the beat. Angelenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana, Angelenos. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Jump time out, feel the beat. Angelenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana, Angelenos. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Jump time out, feel the beat. Angelenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana, Angelenos. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Jump time out, feel the beat. Angelenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana, Angelenos. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Jump time out, feel the beat. Angelenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana, Angelenos. Join! Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Ta-da! Angeleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This
Balik ang Join Tana Angelenos.
Join Tana Angelenos. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join Tana, feel the beat. Angelenos on the streets. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana Angelenos.
Alright, we're back sa ating programang Join Tana Angelenos. Ito pa rin po yung lingkod, J. Pelayo IV with our guests this morning. Ngayong maulang umaga, we have Miss Louie Lazatin. And from Han Foundation, we have Coach Ron and Miss Sol. Ayan. Parang kailan lang, before pa itong MOA signing, Louie, talagang yun yung sinasabi mo sa akin, di ba? Yung talagang parang mabait sa atin ng Diyos na napakinggan yung mga pinaplano. Naririnig ko kayo ni Mayor John Lazatin
Yeah.
about this. Sana magkaroon tayo ng ganito, palengke tour. No?
Wish yan eh. Wish natin yan.
Oo.
Siyempre here in Angeles City, wala naman tayong beach. Wala tayong talagang mga mountains and all. Pero what we have talaga is the culture and heritage of Angeles City. Yung kwento mismo kung paano, saan ang roots natin, paano tayo nagsimula, bakit tayo ganito. Yun yung pinaka-importante na mas-share na natin ngayon because of the help of Han Foundation. And we would like to thank Han Foundation for giving us a trust na bigyan kami ng electronic jeepney. It's a big investment for them to donate that to us. Na kami mag-alaga at i-share talaga natin sa mga Angeleños ano ang meron sa atin. So, thank you so much to Han Foundation.
Meron ka na bang copy ng specs, Coach Ron? Kung ilang pangpituhan ba to? O pwede
No,
ba
the
yung...
e-jeepney will be can carry 20 to 24.
Wow.
It's fully air conditioned with Wi-Fi,
Oo.
and then we will also donate a charging station.
Wow.
And then the worth of this item would be around 3 million. And then ang pina-approve po namin is 3.5 million actually. But the 500 million will 500,000 rather would be used for the development of a local tourist guide within Angeles. So we wanted also to use this CSR project or a cultural heritage project that can also provide opportunity for the local residents na magkaroon ng alternative livelihood through tourism. So ang function ng ACTO, provide the learning platform and equip them and then make them licensed and accredited by the DOT Region 3 and imagine a lot of different people, even locals and abroad and foreigners would come and learn. There's a demand now for
Oo
tourist
nga.
guides.
Sigurado.
So,
Oo.
and I would like to congratulate also the ACTO for starting it with the senior citizens.
Yes.
And I look forward na makita sila nag-tour guide.
I was about to say that, Louie. Another complimenting doon sa sinabi ni Coach Ron. No? Naumpisa na. Actually, isinama na sa State of the City address
Yes, ano na
ni
sila,
Mayor John.
certified community tour guides ng ating mga senior citizens. They are 24 of them. At sobrang nakakatuwa kasi sa tulong po ng National Commission for Senior Citizen and DOT Region 3, talagang na-push natin na mangyari na talaga yung pinapangarap natin to have a very inclusive tourism.
Yeah.
Na isama natin ng mga senior citizens na kasi silang nakakaalam ng mga kwento, Sir Jay.
Tama.
Magugulat ka sa mga kwento nila parang, uy, wala sa libro yun ah.
Oo, tama. Oo.
Pero alam ni Lola at saka ni Lolo. And yun yung mas nakakatuwa kasi talagang napapass on sa mga bisita natin, napapass on sa mga new generation, sa mga Angeleños, mga college students, high school students kasama sa tour, na nalalaman nila yung mga kwento nila Lola at Lola na talagang real life
Oo.
stories.
Yung mga pinakita ni Mayor John last State of the City address, yun pa lang yung first batch, tama ba?
Yes, sila yung first batch natin.
Pero he also mentioned about mga next, mga gusto niya, meron din PWDs, mga solo parents. So, they would also be
Yes,
kasama dun sa...
yes, opo.
So, talagang yung pinapangarap na inclusivity, ayan na, napupunuan na.
Kasi hindi lang naman sa tour guiding, Sir Jay. I mean, everything could be part of the tourism. Let's say, with the PWD. Sa paggawa nila nung mga... meron silang program ngayon na ginagawa yung mga ipit sa buhok or something. Oh, that could be part of our pasalubong. And pwede natin din mabenta with the tourist. So, dun siya nagiging inclusive talaga natin. Even with mga solo parents natin. Yan. Pwede rin silang mag-participate sa atin.
Oo. Lugi lang sa akin. Wala silang mabibenta sa akin. Pang-iipit. Sa iba, pwede. Tama pa. Itong Egypt, mabalik lang ako, Miss Sol. Nabalitaan ko doon sa ating ceremonial signing na i-turn over sa LGU ng bear na white.
Yes,
Tama po ba?
yes,
Oo.
yes,
Bakit
sir.
po bear lang?
Well, we're giving the Angeles City to decide, no? Kung
Ayun.
anong design ang ilalagay. Maybe they can include histories or stories na pwedeng makita doon sa jeepney yun. So kahit na yung jeepney will give, kumbaga, ano yung message na pwede nating ibigay sa mga kabataan or sa mga tao, no? In addition then Han Foundation's projects are mostly impact-driven, and then inclusive din. So sa amin, ang inclusivity parating kasama din po kahit sa lahat eh. So kami ni Sir Ronel, when we do things sa Han Foundation, parati po namin kinoconsider yon. So with that, makikita po natin siguro sa design ng jeepney, makikita po natin bare white siya, pero pag nakita na natin siguro after a few months,
Yes.
gaano na po siya kaganda. So we're looking forward into that. And I would also like to commend din po yung ACTO no, sa mga ginagawa nilang initiatives. Hindi lang po dito sa mga projects na to, but yung mga ginagawa po ninyo to be aware yung mga kabataan natin. Yung parole making, I tried that. And nag-enjoy po ako doon, nakulitan and all. So I think ACTO, you're doing a good job.
Oh, thank you so much.
Alam ko, nag-activate na yung creative mind mo, Louie. So ano yung pinaplano natin dito initially? Hindi wala, of course, hindi pa final. Pero nang pinag-iisipan mo dito sa Egypt yung overall design niya.
We plan to talk to the different groups of artists that we have in Angeles City para all of us can collaborate sa design, sa
Yeah.
kwento na mangyayari dito sa e-jeepney. Para pag tinignan mo yung jeep natin, oy, ito na yung kwento ni Angeles. And
Yeah.
I'm sure lahat ng artists natin, all the groups of artists that we have can work all together, can unite. All of us can unite our minds with the Han Foundation, with the CIO, of course. With even with
Pambalang
Kapampangan Studies, with Sir Mike Pangalinan's office, with their kulitan.
Yeah.
We can all help one another. And this would be a very... I'm excited also for this, Coach Ron and Miss
May kwento lang kami dyan sa Egypt. Actually, nung una, ang proposal namin is a diesel jeepney. However, our board said, dahil nga at that time kasagsagan nung crisis ng oil.
Oo.
And naisip namin, why don't we just donate an electronic jeepney? Ganon. So nag-decide kami, sige, we'll go for it. And then na-approve nga yung proposal namin. Kaya kudos to our board na pinamumunuan ni Ma'am Neki Liwanag.
Uy, oo.
And also
Sana next time invite
Yes.
natin
Uy,
dito
sana
si
po,
Becky.
opo.
Oo.
Okay.
And
Saan?
hopefully po,
Oo.
pag na-turn over na namin,
Oo,
we could
yun.
also
Oo.
invite our executive director, si Ma'am Ana Christie, together with
And our
Mayor John.
VP, our VP for Finance, si Ma'am Mitch Estacio.
Oh.
No?
Yes.
So they're the ones talaga who's pushing for all the projects po ng Han Foundation.
In addition to that, isa pa lang ito sa pillar ng Han Foundation. So, yung tatlong remaining is education focus.
Okay.
We have also environment focus and also
Culture,
Cult-
health.
health. Yun.
Okay.
Bigla ko wala. Pero sa sobrang dami po, kaya makikita niyo po kami na we have, for this year alone, we have around 14 projects.
14 projects.
14 projects scattered in Pampanga and Tarlac. And actually, this week we are already preparing also for our disaster relief operation. And hopefully, ma-distribute namin the soonest din po. Thank you.
Ayos. Yun pa lang Egypt ni pa lang ang pinag-uusapan natin. No? Pero alamin din natin kung paano gagamitin ng tourism office natin, yung e-jeepney. Saan ba yung ruta niyan? Sa ating pagbabalik. Coach Ron, anong oras na sa buong Pilipinas?
It's already 10:30 in the morning and magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Join! Ta-da! Hey, hey, come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Come on, feel the beat, and Heleños on the street. Turn it up, let the city say, Join Tana and Join Tana and Heleno. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join Tana, feel the beat, and Helenos on the street. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana and Helenos. Join Tana. Feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know.
Join Tana Angeleños.
Join Tana Angeleños. Come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Join Tana, feel the beat, and Angeleños on the streets. Turn it up, let the city say. Join Tana Angeleños.
Alright, we're back sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Ito pa rin po yung lingkod, J. Pelayo IV with Miss Louie Lazatin, Coach Ron, and Miss Sol. Oras po natin is 10:34 in the morning. Ayan, Miss Louie, ayan, ano na yung, nice ko lang batiin si Kapitana Ami Torres, si Recto Mejia Pangilinan Jr. Magandang buhay.
Yung nagpapa-shoutout din, Sir J, si
Oh, sino?
Kim.
Uy, Kim!
Si Madam Kim.
Oh, how are you? Oo. Si Maureen Bruce, kudos po sa inyong lahat. Yan. Sabi ni Recto, apakaganda talaga ni Miss Louie Lazatin. Ang
Hindi mo
mukhang-
masyado, Recto.
meron nagpapalibre dito. Kay Coach Ron ka magpalibre. Yan yung birthday niya ngayon.
Happy birthday, Coach Ron!
Salamat po, salamat.
Alam mo, noon parang mahigit isang dekada na, no, na katuwang ng Han Foundation ng lungsod ng Angeles, no. Sabi ko nga nung last nakatatlong administrasyon na sila. Pero ngayon, natutuwa ako na happy sila, nabanggit ni Ma'am Christy, na nasusustain at nagagamit natin ng maayos yung mga efforts, no, na pinoprovide ng Han Foundation. Nakita naman natin ngayon kung gaano ka-importante yung paggamit ng culinarium, Louie, no, sa part ng tour mo, no. Pero meron ka pang, aside from this, yung SLT, no, na tinatawag. Can you tell us more about this? Yan, good morning, Alvin Perez.
Okay. Ang meaning ng SLT ay School of Living Traditions. So
Okay.
si Angeles City Tourism Office, syempre, we have come up with, together with sila Sir J, Doc J Aquino, sila Sir Aaron, sila Tang Lucio. Yan yung mga cultural masters natin na tayo na how can we pass this on to the next generation? Kasi kung hindi naman natin siya ituturo, hindi siya mapapass on. So, nabuo si School of Living Traditions. So, ano ba yung mga School of Living Traditions natin? Now, we just started with the parole making. So, we have 4 Saturdays na nagka-come up with the parole making. After the parole making, meron tayong sisig. The sisig kasi, it's the method ng pagluto. So, ituturo din natin doon kung yung talagang kung paano siya nagsimula, si sisig. And then we have Kulitan, the Kapampangan script. And then after that would be a dance and music with Sir Peter De Vera.
Wow.
At lahat ng to nangyayari po to sa City Library natin. Ito yung sentro kasi natin eh. Tapos iba, every Saturday, Sunday, we still have the Pamanang Lakad.
Tama.
So after the parole making, pag nagawa na yung parole sila, they can share it dun sa Pamanang Lakad natin. They can try to sell it, mag-product. The end of the course kasi, Sir J, meron silang product development. So after the parole making, pwede sila mag-isip anong pwede nilang magawa out of that parole. So yun yung mga product dev na mangyayari din sa kanila, which they can share with us later on sa Pamanang Lakad. So yun, sana ma-invite natin lahat din ng mga kabataan na mag-join sa School of Living Traditions.
Yung pa lang sa Heritage Tour, ay, di ba, lagi naman na fully book yan, no?
Yes, always.
So, paano naman sila pwedeng makibahagi dito sa SLT ng
It's
ACTO?
also online in our Facebook page, Experience Live Love Angeles City. They can join there. We have some posts for the School of Living Traditions. They can join and click the link and then they can join.
Ito yung na-experience mo rin, Miss Sol, di ba? Ano yung mga takeaways mo from this experience?
Ako, talagang gustong-gusto ko yung kulitan.
Kulitan.
Kasi, at saka yung sa parol, no? Kasi until now, yung parol ko naka-display sa office.
Wow.
Malaking parol, pero
Yes.
lahat halos ng employees dati, no, nag-join sa parol making. Nag-enjoy talaga sila. And with the kulitan, gusto ko talaga yung iba-iba kasi yung ginawa ni Natang Lucio. And then yung nilagay nung iba. Kaya yung pangalan mo is Sol Malagu. Hindi naman nababasa ng iba kasi basta ikaw yung nakakaalam kung ano yung meaning nung isinulat mo dun sa yung script. No? But it's really good to know that we have this Kapampangan script. No? And sana hindi siya mamatay or maglaho.
Oo.
Kahit ngayon hindi na ganon yung in terms of talking and parang mga bata ngayon is nagsasalita sila ng English, Tagalog. Sana yung Kapampangan hindi mawala. So, yun.
That's why we have also the office of Sir Mike Pangilinan, the Kapampangan Language Studies. Mas dun sila, they have talks every Saturday also. So even with the kulitan, kaya siya kasama sa School of Living Traditions natin kasi ayaw natin siya mamatay. And we want to pass it on.
Yes.
Yung naman kay Mike Pangilinan, ano yung paano pwedeng makibahagi yung mga lalo na yung mga kabataan doon sa kanyang center, yung sa kanyang opisina?
They have also a Facebook page which we also share an experience, Live Love Angeles City, the Saturday talks that we have. Iba-iba yun. Iba-iba yung mga talks sa every Saturday, all about Kapampangan. And also with the School of Living Traditions, we partnered with their office also na i-release natin yung schedule soon. Kasi tinatapos lang natin yung School of, for the parole making. So next na natin then would be for the sisig and the kulitan. And then we'll release the schedule soon para they can sign up na po.
May tanong lang dito, may bayad po ba yung pagsali dyan? Oo nga, no? May bayad po ba? Or ano?
Siyempre, ayaw ni Mayor John na magbabayad, lalo na pag School of Living Traditions, we pass on the culture and heritage of Angeles City. Sabi ni Mayor John, dapat talagang sinishare natin to ng libre. Yes. So
Another
they have the
question.
materials and they have the materials na they can nagagamitin nila.
Bukas na po ba ulit ng weekends ang City Library?
They're open until Saturday,
Okay.
Sir Jay.
Ayan,
Yes,
oo.
from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So it's Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Ang sipag yun, ha? So, gusto lagi nun siguro may pasok. Magla-library siya kahit.
Pero nakakatawa, Sir Jay. Maraming pumupuntang students talaga sa library.
Oo.
Na parang kami, wow.
Actually,
It's being
nakaka-inspire nga lang po, Sir Jay, because way back in 2018, dating WIDAS Foundation pa kami, our first cultural project was the Center for Cultural Heritage, Kapampangan Cultural Heritage Center, wherein we help out Sir, Mike Pangilinan. And then we were also in 2025 yung Holy Rosary Parish Church and then the Culinarium. Lahat po yan may tumulong po ang Han Foundation. Kaya nakaka-inspire po na yung aming investment into cultural heritage na nakikita namin nagkakaroon ng impact. Kaya noong yung dati naming dinonate sa library po ng mga computers, Information Technology Center, na-inspire si Mayor din. Then ngayong Kong Pogi na Lasatid, he opened it until nga weekends para nakita niya kasi yung mga kabataan na walang access sa computer, sa internet and printing, meron na.
Oo.
And that led to the investment as well of renovating the whole library. So we have a very beautiful library in Angeles, which we are so proud. Yan yung tinatawag namin ni Ma'am Sol na impact-driven and sustainable. Simple lang yung dinonate namin sa library, pero it led to an inspiration by the local government, to further invest more. So that's how we envision it. Kaya we're very much glad working with the LG of Angeles because nakikita namin yung donation namin, it goes beyond just the simple donation.
Oo nga, oo. Paano pa natin mapapalago ito, Louie, no? Halimbawa yung sa e-jeepney. Nakasentro lang ba ito doon sa part ng Heritage District o meron pang mga ibang tours na naisip natin on the northbound portion ng Angeles City, or pwede bang gamitin yung mga road dikes natin? Ano ba yung makikita mong mga routes at saka mga tour packages dito sa e-jeepney?
Later on, Sir Jay, i-conceptualize natin yan. But what we have now, na talagang sobra dito natin parang parang sinasharpen na dito natin talagang iniigihan with the heritage, culture and heritage muna natin. So, kasama sa kultura natin ay ang ating palengke.
Yan,
Nandyan ang
palengke.
simula ng storya.
Oo.
So, kasama sa ikot natin with the heritage tour would be Pamintuan Mansion, pupunta
Okay.
ng Museo ng Angeles, Apong Mama Kalulu. Sa Apo, if it's on a Friday, yan, makakaano
Oy,
tayo sa Apo.
makaka-shopping.
Yes,
Oo.
after the Apo, makakapunta tayo ng San Nicolas Market, Pangpang Market, and then babalik ng Angeles City. Siyempre, dadaan sa ruta na yun, dadaan na Henson Road,
Oo,
ng,
tama.
sa loob ng palengke, yung mga old cinemas. Sir Jay, naabutan mo pa yung mga sinehan
Mga
doon.
double width, di ba? Double width.
Oh, yun. So, nasasama yun sa kwento natin.
Ah.
So, hanggang pabalik tayo ng Museo ng Angeles. So, yun muna the route that we are really focusing on. Later on, dyan na dadagdag yun sa dike na. All the improvements that you have. Kasi we have to prepare for it, Sir Jay.
Sa bagay, oo.
We have to prepare for it.
Yung sa palengke pa lang, dami ng chismis na makukuha. Siguro maganda rin kahit hindi ako patron, yung may barbero tour no? Kasi marami ring kwento. Marami ring kwento doon yung mga barbero natin.
Pwede.
Pero
Masasama yan.
nakakatuwa, Sir Jay, no? I follow the Angeles City and the ACTO. There are a lot of local governments outside Central Luzon from other parts. They're visiting, they're doing their benchmarking in Angeles City.
Yes.
And they are so impacted doon sa culinarium, sa Holy Rose, the whole
Yes.
trip na ginawa ng ACTO. Sabi nga nila, sana meron din kaming ganito.
Nakikita mo pala yun.
Oo, sir, kasi dito namin nakikita na worth it yung binigay natin na donation. And I think we will not stop here. So ang Han Foundation po, we are committing also to the local government for as long as there is a good cultural heritage project that would preserve, promote, sustain the Kapampangan culture, the indigenous people's culture, and the Filipino culture, we will be there. You know, kaya,
Ayos.
Babalik lang ako, sir, dun sa sa palengke tour.
O before ka bumalik sa palengke tour, magbe-break lang tayo. Ikaw nang tatanungin ko niyan, Miss Sol. Anong oras na sa buong Pilipinas?
Ang oras po natin ay 10:45 a.m.
Join! Ta-da! And come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Come on, feel the beat. Angeleños on the street, turn it up, let the city say. Joe and Tana, Angeleños.
Nagbabalik ang Join Tana Angeleños.
Joy! Tana! Angeleños! Come on, come on, feel the sound, let's go. Voices of the city on the radio. News and stories that glow. This is our home, let the whole town know. Joy Tana, feel the beat. Angeleños on the streets. Turn radio, let the city say. Joy Tana, Angeleños.
At nagbabalik po kami sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Ito pa rin po yung lingkod, J. Pelayo IV with Miss Louie Lazatin, Coach Ron, and Miss Sol. Ayun na. Would you like to add
Ay, oo, yung
kanina,
bago
Miss
tayo
Sol?
na
Oo.
nag-commercial, no, break, parang yun nga yung isa sa mga nagustuhan din namin, yung may budget sa pagbili sa palengke tour. So kailangan tumawad ka. Parang ganon. So parang may group eh. So tapos yung group na yon, ito na-assign sa amin, parang we have to buy fish and buko. Para yun yung buko juice na iinumin mo. So, yun. Kailangan tumawad kami. O, kaya, asan yung pera? Hahanap ka. Hahanap ka sa mga tindahan. Kailangan may tawad. So,
Yes.
very, nakakatuwa siya. So,
Yes.
so,
Yun yung
naging-
experience kasi. Nandun yung experience, Sir Jay. Kaya nga meron tayong experience, live, love, Angeles City.
Yes.
Ginagamit na nga yan ni Mayor John sa mga final closing message niya sa mga sa mga kanyang speech, no? Shout out kay Paulo G na mukhang naulanan din. Ayan. Sige. Would you also like to yun na ba yung sa SLT natin? Or would you like to add more, Louie?
That's all for now, Sir Jay. Tapos i-release na lang natin yung schedule for the entire lessons pa natin, yung upcoming lessons natin. Yung ongoing po ngayon ay ang parole making, susunod ang sisig, susunod ang kulitan, and then we have the music and dance also with partnership with Sir Peter De Vera.
Yan, no? Itong mga brilliant minds and talents
Yes.
na meron tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, no? Buti na lang na e-empower ni Louie yung mga great minds na ito.
No, pero Sir Jay, really have to thank them also for sharing it with us.
Yeah.
With Sir Peter De Vera, Doc J. Aquino, with Sir Aaron, Tang Lucio. Tang Lucio season, they have all the talents and the heart and the passion and the love for the culture and heritage of Angeles City. At walang sawa sila na isinishare sa atin at sa new generation. And shout out sa kanila.
We have to really take advantage, no, or talagang sulitin natin, no, na habang merong mga ganitong programa para hindi lang ma-pass on but also cherish it, no, kasi yun yung mga identity natin, no? At
Tsaka Sir Jay, malay mo, kasi mga anak natin nagagadgets. Diba?
tama.
Nagpaparole making na niyan.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka gusto ko rin masustain kasi after 10 years, pwede na maging si Coach Ron doon, tour guide.
Yes.
Doon sa senior program.
Pero to add on lang, no, I think it would also be nice to invite all of the companies, organizations in Angeles City, in yung mga passionate groups na would like to make a difference and invest in cultural preservation. You know, it would be nice na sama-sama po tayo, you know. Han Foundation isa lang na organization
Yes, yes.
Pero I do believe if all of kasi kakaunti lang nag-i-invest on culture
Oo nga.
more on health, education, which is very important naman. Pero we felt na, you know, wag nating hayaan din mawala yung pagpe-preserve and pagpo-promote. Kaya we would like to invite other companies, small, medium, large, to join us in our advocacy sa in helping Angeles City and other areas as well here in Pampanga.
Thank you,
Oo.
thank you.
Meron pa bang ibang naka-pipeline, Coach Ron, sa Han Foundation na aabangan? no?
Yes, kagaya lang sinabi ni Ma'am Sol kanina, Han Foundation is also going to invest on environment through the Sapang Bato watershed.
Watershed.
And we are going to help in building a nursery para marami tayong supply
Yes.
ng mga fruit-bearing trees and other endemic trees or bamboo na pwede nating i-plant. And also, second one would be the investment namin to renovate the tourist police unit.
Yan. Oo.
And way back po in 2017, back then WIDAS Foundation, that was my first project.
Oo.
And we helped the Angeles City ACPO TPU na magkaroon sila ng sariling office. So it's almost 10 years and we are going to improve it, and it's our gift also in order to promote also safety and security within the Korean town and the whole Angeles City po.
Tamang-tama na naman yan, no? Kasi nagbo-boom yung tourism sa lungsod ng Angeles, no? Sa dami na rin ng mga flights sa
Yes,
Clark
sir.
Airport, no? Ang daming tumutungong mga foreign tourists at mga ibang mga turista rin na from different provinces. Nakikita na rin natin sa lungsod ng Angeles, no? So maraming salamat po sa ano. Ayan, baka meron pa ho kayong mga final messages, Coach Ron, Miss Sol. Bibigyan pa namin kayo ng pagkakataon to...
Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite po ninyo sa amin today, no? And I would like to take this opportunity to greet my partner. No? And haligi na po ito ng Han Foundation, and I'm learning a lot from them, no? When I joined the company last year. And grateful po kami kasi Han Foundation is giving something to the community, most especially po currently we're nakasentro po yung aming pagtulong sa Pampanga at saka sa Tarlac. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you po. And I would also like to thank ACTO kasi napaka-supportive po nila even when we had this project po sa company. Your people, no, they're very accommodating. So, maraming salamat, Miss Louie. Thank you, Mayor John, and sa inyo po. Sir Jay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Sol. Coach Ron, the birthday boy.
Maraming pong salamat po sa lahat po nag-greet po sa akin. And I would like also to thank this opportunity to thank Mayor John Lasatin for continuously supporting Han Foundation. And also I would like to take this opportunity to greet also my fellow social workers, especially the members of the Philippine Association of Social Workers Incorporated Pampanga Chapter, and to all the mga ka-network ko po sa ABSNet, yung mga NGO foundations na they're doing great job. And also sa lahat po ng mga local government units, especially the CSWDO, MSWDO, PSWDO na ngayon po talagang walang sawa na nandun sa field, Sir Jay, helping our kababayans na mga nalubugan at kailangan ng tulong. Kaya I think sa birthday ko po, ang wish ko lang would be, malampasan natin lahat ng mga pagsubok. And at the same time, yung bayanihan po na spirit, I think hindi kakayanin ng LGU alone.
Yes.
So we need more support from the private sector. I think Saup, and I think we can do great things. So thank you po, Sir Jay, for the invitation.
Mas dakal mo rin pong salamat, Coach Ron, and happy birthday. Pasensya na publicize ko yung birthday na broadcast natin. Ayan, Miss Louie Lazatin.
Yes, Sir Jay, mag-i-invite lang ako ng mga applicants for Mutyaning Angeles 2026.
Yan, bilis ng panahon.
Oo nga. So, we have na ongoing applications. Ang deadline po natin would be on August 26. So, sabihan nyo na habang walang pasok ngayon, even college walang pasok, Sir
Wala,
Jay,
tama.
diba? So, yan. So, lahat ng mga colleges natin, pakisabi sa mga kaibigan nyo na mag-apply na sila sa Mutyaning Angeles. And always follow our page, Experience, Live, Love, Angeles City.
Thank you very much, Miss Louie Lazatin ng ACTO, Angeles City Tourism Office at ng Han Foundation, for joining me here sa ating programang Join Tana Angeleños. Sa ngalan po ni Mayor John Lazatin at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng pamanang lungsod ng Angeles, ito po yung lingkod, J. Pelayo IV, at ito yung programang Join Tana Angeleños. God bless everybody.
Join